In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create scrollable screens, which allow users to access a large amount of content within a confined screen space, making it easier to navigate through lists, articles, or other information. We'd like to iterate on this employee directory app and provide users with more information about their colleagues, but we've nearly maxed out the screen's available real estate. We want the content contained on one screen, so we'll make it scrollable here in the screen's properties panel. You can also change this using the screen's properties blocks. This is especially handy if you need additional space to accommodate cloned components or components you've made visible. We'll add the additional fields between the fun fact labels and the buttons, so we'll start by moving the buttons down to make space. There are a couple of different ways to do this. First, once the screen is set to scrollable, you can drag components lower on the screen. Alternatively, you can adjust the component's Y-coordinate in the property panel. The screen height is 667 pixels, so let's bump this button down so the top of it is at 900 pixels and see how that works for us. As we add the additional fields, we can move the buttons down further if we need or shift them up if we've given ourselves more space than we need. You can use copy and paste keyboard shortcuts to duplicate the labels and reposition them in the extra space we've created. Let's cut to a version with all the additional fields created and linked to our data source. It looks like we didn't need quite as much space as we anticipated, so let's shift these buttons up a bit. We're happy with how it looks here, but let's give it a test on Thunkable Live so we can experience the screen scroll on an actual device. And just like that, now you know how to create scrollable screens to allow users to access a large amount of content within a confined screen space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more great content and let us know in the comments how you plan to incorporate scrollable screens in your apps. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, innovation should have no limits.